Hello, my love. Okay, so I know you made this fantastic DVD for me from, Bye Bye Birdie or whatever, so I'm going to make a fantastic video for you from the producers. Obviously I'm backstage right now. You've already been all through here, so there's no need to give you a tour, but we're going to go bug some people. Josh in his dance warm-up. Hopefully he doesn't kill me. Okay, here we go. Da-da-da-da-da. There's Larry doing his makeup as he does before every show. He looks fabulous. This is for Marina, by the way.
Oh, hi.
Okay, moving on. And there's everybody. Those are all the Begonuses and Carla. Alright, moving on. Moving on. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Hello.
Oh, no.
I'm filming. These are our file cabinets for I Want to Be a Producer. And that's our gay couch. And that's our staircase for Springtime for Hitler. These are our fabulous techies. This is for my friend Marina, by the way. That's after Ula tidy oops at the office. Everybody dance warming up. Joshua, you want to say hi to Marina?
Oh my God, Mardi Gras. Hey, girl.
This is a dance warm-up I always miss. Yay. Okay. All right. There's the old lady bench.
Wait.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, God, I just died a little. Okay. There's the back, and there's the office. That's little Paige Rigo right there.
I miss you, Mardi Gras.
And, crap. Okay. Back here. You can't see Josh's little tutu, but it's there. It's right there.
Like, I don't have...
There's Miss Katie. That's our Ula. She's fabulous. And these are all my costumes. Eponine is for King of Old Broadway. I'm using my Eponine costume. That's my Shirley costume. Flannel. This is my black shirt for Springtime for Hitler. This is my swastika. That goes under, that's for King of Old Broadway. That's for King of Old Broadway. This is for I Want to Be a Producer. I'm sure you'll see pictures of that. This is for opening night. We're all wearing like prom dresses. I've got these really awesome like silky black gloves. Or not, white gloves that I wear. So yeah, it's a big mess in here. Josh's tutu that he wears looks like this. I'm sure you've seen the picture of me in it. Anyway, so that's all for now, but we'll film more later. Alright, love you, bye!